Oh, there he is.
Oh, Tengen Uzui.
Oh, here he is. Here he is. And there's Kano too.
Let's go. What? Oh, this guy. Yeah! Here we go!
Hashira,
She seems like internally conflicted right now.
I'll decide by flipping a coin.
Doka.
Oh no.
That was one of the best scenes from season 1.
Oh, okay, yeah, I remember that.
Follow your heart. That was your deal with Tanjiro. You gotta do what you think is best, not what the coin says.
What is this even about? I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, he has no idea what's going on right now.
Oh, no. Are they swarming around him? Or is he? Perfect example. Well, I mean, he was doing something at first, but like, perfect example.
And Kanao in the back.
and Kano's in the background like...
Oh, I don't need her then.
Okay, you can't just toss her.
Oh, Zenitsu's here. And Osuke's here. The formation, the trio, though. Hey.
And Zenitsu! And Inosuke!
Oh, or Zenitsu. Ooh, look, he's so serious. Especially when it comes to girls, you know.
Look at that. They're already prepared to stop this man. You gotta deal with all three of them now. Look at that. Oh my, look at this. This is like wallpaper worthy right there.
Damn, that boy came out of nowhere, huh? Him too. Oh, they must have been ready to take his ass out. Oh, well, they just came right up. Ooh, that was clean. Wallpaper.
Okay, what? This guy, man.
What was that? Why, bro? Why'd you have to do that?
Sekuhara!
Damn!
What the hell? Yo! That was sexual harassment!
I remember her
okay,
silhouette.
was this the opening or the ending?
Wow!
Ooh!
Hold on. You know we gotta turn it up. You know we gotta turn it up.
Dress up as a woman, right?
Hold on, I remember when we heard it in the trailer.
Oh man, dude, I can't wait. I can't wait. This season's already gonna be fire.
Ooh, I like
I
that.
could tell.
Okay, kind of. That would have been Goku.
Ooh.
They got hear the song too. Got hear the song.
Ooh.
In the red light district. Oh, so much is about to go down.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. I feel like
And
with
look at all of
with
these
this arc, I'm gonna get those
colorful
Final
characters,
Fantasy
man.
VII vibes. I
This
forgot
looks
that-
like
I forgot
so
what that
much
district
fun
was
to
called,
watch.
but that district where it was kind
And
of
then
like
Tengen
this.
Uzui's backstory. Michael
Yes,
Jackson
man.
Muzan
There's,
is back.
Daki.
Okay. Ooh, this song going. Look at this fool.
Oh, dude.
I guess he
Oh,
already
man.
looks like a
Words
girl, so there
cannot
ain't really too much he can
explain
do
how
or needs
hype
to
I
do.
am for this.
Ooh,
Yes, he is.
And like I said,
Okay, that's a goal.
Oh,
I wanted to
okay,
see
okay.
Gonna be
another Upper Moon and what they're capable of, and it looks like we're
Song
getting
is
exactly
good, these
that.
visuals, man.
And we get some more Hashira action with Tengen Uzui.
That's maybe some like Tengen.
Oh no, okay, they're
Dang,
different.
who are the
girls. I was
three
about to
lovely
say,
ladies
I
on the
thought
left,
that was
though?
them dressed up as
That were
women.
standing around
Me too with the hairstyle.
Tengen Uzui in the beginning.